and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be reviewing two clip-in ponytails. So they're like ponytail extensions from a company called Insert Name Here. So I've got two to try. So one is the ALY, so ALY here. This is a mid-length with beachy waves. This one is 18 inches. And then I also have the MIYA. So this one here, and this one I think is quite a bit longer. It doesn't say on here, but I think it's 26 inches. So I'm going to start with the ALY pony. So that was the wavy one. So initially it comes like this, which is really nice. You've got like, this is kind of like a satiny bag here. And there's 102 grams of hair, well, synthetic hair. And yeah, 18 inches, ponytail, it's like a wraparound one. And then inside the bag, you've got your little leaflet that tells you like the different range that they do and how to apply it. I actually did look on the website. They've got like a little video there that shows you how to do it. It does look pretty easy. We will see. So the hair comes in like a net bag to keep it protected. And then this is the hair itself. So it's actually not a bad match at all, is it? I'm more of a silver colour, and this is the light that they did, which is actually a platinum. So I thought it might be a little bit off, but it's actually not too bad at all. So I'm going to give this a little brush, I think, first. You get two clips with it as well. So they're like little blonde clips and they feel really strong. So as I say, this is synthetic hair. It's not real human hair or anything. But I don't think, personally, I've got some synthetic extensions from Lulabelle's, and I don't think that synthetic hair is as poor quality as it used to be years and years ago. I think they're kind of really up in their game with the synthetic hair. And I used to be someone that, you know, and I wouldn't rule it out now, to be honest, that used to always wear, like, I've been through loads of different types of extensions and things like that with, you know, human hair ones. Right, so I've given it a brush and this is how we're looking. So it is a really nice, like, beachy wave. And then if I give you a close-up, you can see the sort of quality of the hair itself. So it does look quite real, actually. Not bad at all. Right, so let's pop it in. So we've got like a Velcro wraparound bit here. And then, oh, that's a nice touch. And then inside, it feels really nice and thick. Inside we've got like a nude sort of coloured lace insert here. And then this is what I was saying, it's got like a little tag here, which is quite cute. And then we've got a little comb. Right, so what I'm going to do first is put my hair up. I don't want to go for like a really, really high pony. I want to take it to about here, I think, just where my crown is. Okay, so I found a little bobble here, so we're going to pop this in now. Try my best to show you. I'm just going to clip. I'm going to go underneath. like that. And I think I'm just going to clip the actual pony because it feels a bit heavy, like it might sag. That's better. Right. So it's all in, and it does feel quite nice and secure actually. Sort the side bits out. I'm quite happy with that. I think that's a really good colour match. It's I know it's scruffy, but I personally I like it like that. I've done it like that on purpose. But yeah, I think it's a good colour match. Let me just turn this side so you can see. So that's what it's like from the back. Yeah, nice. It does feel heavy, I'm not going to lie, but it doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere either. It doesn't feel like it's going to sag. And I put that extra clip in just to keep it that little bit more secure as well. Yeah, that's nice. Right, we'll try the straight one next. So this one is the MIYA. So it's this one here, MIYA. And this, I think, it doesn't actually say on the packet, but I think it's a 26 inch. So she's a long one. Yeah, 26 inches. So both of these on the website are their like bestseller ones. Oh, this one actually does come in a grey, but it's more of a, it's like that. So it's more of a like steely grey. But yeah, nice colour. But right, so let's whip this one out. Comes out really easy as well. God, that feels really light now. It comes out really easy as well. So this one comes in more of a, it's still like a protective bag, but it's more of a like, I don't know what this material is, but it's still in a protective bag anyway. It's just not that silky material that the other one's in. And then, oh look, I've got a little satin scrunchie in there as well. That's cute. So again, we've got the little net. Yeah, this one feels different. If I'm honest, this one feels more like synthetic extensions used to feel. So it's a little bit more, it doesn't feel as hair-like. Yeah, it feels like, it's really hard to explain. If I show you, it's kind of like this. So it's more of a, if I say crimpy, does that make sense? But yeah, it does to me. It doesn't feel like hair either, but it might look nice on, and it is a bestseller, so there must be something very appealing about it. It's very long, so I'm going to give this a good brush. Do you know, now I've brushed it, I think looks wise it does look kind of natural. It just feels, it feels a lot different to the other one. So I'm going to just leave the ponytail that I had before in, to be honest, just to make it a lot easier. So same thing, we've got the lace insert here with the clip. This one feels really, really thick. How thick is this? So this one's 135 grams. So we've got an extra kind of like 30 odd grams on this one. Right, so we'll pop this one in. Okay, so again, it's a pretty good colour match, I'd say. And it covers my hair really nicely as well. I think because it's so thick, you know, you can't see my natural hair underneath it at all. It's like, I mean, you can if I obviously lift it up, but you know, when it's just down, you can't. Yeah, this is pretty. I feel like kind of like, you know, Ariana Grande in my dreams. Yeah, it is pretty. It is really pretty, and I'm just faffing around with it now, but I do really like that. And yet it doesn't have like the hair-like feel that the other one does. No, it doesn't, but it is really nice as well, and it does look quite natural when it's on. Ah, I've figured it out. So this one is vegan synthetic hair, and it's texturized with yaki perm for added volume. So that's where the kind of crimpy feel comes into it. Now that makes sense. So yeah, which is why I actually quite like it as well. I like it when it's on. It's really nice. Yeah, so no, I definitely recommend them. I think they're great. And, you know, not being funny, but if you're having a bad hair day, I mean, I didn't do much with my hair today, but you can just chuck it up, chuck one of these on, and then, you know, you look like you've really tried hard. So yeah, I'll link the links for these two in the description box below, but there's so many to choose from, and they've got tools and stuff like that as well. So yeah, take a look. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!